Hello guys, welcome back to AP Labs. This is Pars, and today we're gonna continue improving API. Welcome back guys. So again, today we're gonna continue the day 7 of our improvement on API. So let's get started. So guys, as you see, we just run the project on now. So Laravel is running on the 8009 port, and AI service is running on 8010, and Whisper is running on 8011. Docker is running on 8012. So this is the current last progress of our API. So let's make some improvement today. We're gonna make some updates. So let's get started. In the last update, we added multiple models about language model, image model, and projection model. So right now the instant model is like that, but I'm not happy with the current open up menu, so I'm gonna tell Codex to remove these names. There is no need for that, and let us tell to make improvement. Guys, we just, as you know, we took a screenshot there and we told the Codex right now just improve it. So as you see, it's very messy out there. We told them to make improvement, remove the complete file name of each model. There is no need for that, only the short name of the model is enough. So let's wait until it makes this update. Hey guys, so Codex just done the improvement. It says that I removed the file name extensions from the instant menu. So let's refresh and see what has been changed. Yeah, that's better now. But still, there is one bug. This is by default it's selected. And when I mouse over to others, the first language model submenu is shown, still shown. So I'm gonna tell that to fix that. guys, as you see, just Codex improved the bug. Let's refresh the project. Yep, that's better now. So as you see, whenever we mouse over on each tab, it opens up the model. So right now, let's see. For language models, so by default, Gamma 4 E4B is selected, and we have a 3 model installed in the project: LFM and small VLM. For image model, we have a stable diffusion 1.5, and for projection, he just created auto for projection. Just to remind you, projection is for reading the image. For reading image or whatever you attach, you can read. So we have currently 2 model. One of them is Gamma, and the other one is small VLM, but it's set on auto. So yep, let's test one by one. So right now this is select on Gamma 4 or B. Let's say hello. Okay. Wait. What I did? Let's stop this. We will check this later. Okay. So let's just switch to LFM. As you see, LFM is much faster than the Gamma. Gamma takes a while to respond, and we also have a small VLM. This is basically not a language model, but it's made for talking about image. So I'm gonna also test that as well. This is very fast. The text I need to explain what. Okay, as you see, the 3 were correct. So, and this is the image model. Only we have configuration, only we have a stable diffusion. And yep, I guess there is some misunderstanding. For projection, we have a small VLM. Okay. Okay, let's test some. Yeah, let's test small VLM projection, which is meant to read screenshots. So let us take this small screenshot, and we will gonna attach here again. And we also use it small VLM projection. You read. Yep, it can read. I will ask what is projection. That gave me a number, so I don't know what does this mean for. Or I'm gonna tell Codex how to confirm each model when selected. So let's see what will answer. Okay, it says that 32 answer is a good color. Asking the model itself is not a reliable way to confirm the active projection model because the backend may not include that runtime metadata in the prompt. I will inspect how the select model IDs travel from the instant menu into the Laravel controller and AI service. Then I can either point you to the exact confirmation point or add a visible confirmation in the UI if it's missing. So wait until Codex makes this change. So we need to make a confirmation message. Okay, it says that I'm going to make this visible in the chat stream. The local Python server will emit a model status event only after model returns successfully. Laravel will forward it, and the browser will render a small status line on the instant message that gives you a real confirmation that the service accepted and loaded the select model projection. So as you see, guys, he's making this improvement after we select a model from the instance. So he must show a small message confirmation in the chat. So in order for user to be sure that the model has been successfully loaded and selected. Guys, so Codex just done the update. So it says good question, asking the AI what model are you using is not reliable. So I added real information now. Okay, let's finish the project now. So let's choose, for example, we have here language model. What is this? Okay, let's open up new chat and see if here. So this is another bug. Whenever you mouse over to the sub menu, it disappears. So we need to tell Codex to fix this as well. So I just told Codex to fix this issue as well. So let's wait until So while it finishes the current improvement, I would like to explain something for you. I have seen many people or many web developers asking about vibe coding and about AI or what will be the future in next 5 years. So some developers says AI is still not enough to build a complete system, but as you see, guys, this is a real time developing progress that we are doing in front of your eyes. And as you see, each time you are making better and better of the AI system. And until now, we haven't touched any code. So it's the goal is to reach to the complete system. To reach to the complete system in a zero code way. So I just it's not a message for web developers. It's not a hopeless message, but we can say technology that the last technology decades is a witness of tomorrow. If you don't go with the current technology, with the AI, you will be back. You will be delayed with the industry development of technology. So currently, as of now, Codex is better than other AI. I haven't tested Cloudy. Many people use Cloudy as well, but I haven't tested. But Codex is very professional. Currently, now I'm using ChatGPT 5.5, and as you see, you can do any system, build any system with it. So let's continue. As says, fix it, added invisible hover. Okay, let's make a refresh. Okay, the bug just has been fixed. So let's change the model and see if we got any message. So, okay, great. It says using Gamma 4 E4B projection, not used for this text only request. Okay, so let's say how are you? So in each message it says that using this. Okay, if I change to LFM and say hello. Okay, what about small VLM? In a small VLM, we haven't got any answers. Yep. So VLM instruct projection not used for the text only request. So I'm gonna tell Codex what's this message. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Okay guys, so I just took a screenshot. I told I haven't got any answer for the third model, small VLM. So let's wait until it makes the... Okay, so let's wait until it makes improvement. And let's continue talking about the future of AI. So guys, as you see, now very famous powerful AI is out there on the market, like Cloudy, Kimi, and yep, what else we have? A ChatGPT, yep, Gemini. But so far for coding, Codex is perfect. It's very professional. You can completely build a system without any coding, without anything. So far we use it for Laravel web applications. For iOS and Android application, we haven't tested so far, but I'm sure that it will be also good for that. Yep, but one message for developers. So try to learn AI for using building system. Otherwise, you will be a delay. You will be very delay of the market, because now nobody is using coding. The age is completely changed, so you better learn AI for building system rather than going to the coding and other thing. Okay, so let's say it says that the line meant projection model is only used when you attach an image. For normal text chat there is no image, so the project is currently not loaded. I changed the wording so it now says cleaner. Okay, for small also change the picker label. That's now okay. Why small gave no poor answer. I did load successfully, but it is a vision first model, not a good text chat model. I tested it directly and it returned strange hello. Okay, so let's make refresh. Okay, and yep. It says using Gamma text only. And what about let's say okay, and what about small ELM? Okay, so it says using small VLM model 256 M instruct. It's mostly for understanding image. Okay, it's mostly for understanding image. So, for example, if I say, what is this? Okay, it completely says using Gamma for your text only. How can I? So, as you see, it's this model is not for text; it's for understanding the image. Okay. So, yep, we have a projection model here, a small VLM. It's that one, and yep. For image, we have diffusion. Let's change this, and yep. Okay. So only the message uses for language model, not for projection. For projection, if you change, it changes successfully. And okay, guys, let's move on testing some voice conversation. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna start voice conversation and we're gonna give yep, that microphone, and I guess hello there. Yep, I guess the background music is very high and we need to decrease the background music in order to be able yep, in order to be able to talk with the AI. So you just said, I guess, yep, yep. Hello there.
Hello. I'm here to help with any questions or tasks you have.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm processing your request and preparing a thoughtful reply. Feel free to let me know what you need help with.
Yeah, I want to just explain something for you guys. So as you see, I just lately we made a behind the scenes video about how to improving the voice conversation. We added a little button here for minimizing. Actually, ChatGPT doesn't have something like this, but we added in order to just minimize the live voice conversation as like that, and you can see what exactly going on here.
Great summary. Here's a concise breakdown. Purpose of the update, added a minimization button to the live voice conversation. Why it was added to make the experience smoother and easier for users. Note about ChatGPT, the tool doesn't have a direct equivalent, but the
Okay,
minimization
okay,
feature
okay,
was.
can you explain a little bit C++ for me?
Sure. C++ is a powerful programming language used for building applications, games, and systems that require.
Okay, guys, as you see, I guess because of background music, it interfere with the voicing because it's very sensitive. So I'm gonna make a zero background music. Let's test again in order to not stop our conversation. Let's start again. Hello there, how are you doing?
I'm functioning well and ready to assist. How can I support you today?
I want you to create an image for me. Can you create a Mercedes-Benz brand logo?
Creating the image now. Done seed 2,097,895,851. Size 384 x 384.
Okay, guys, as you see, I just told him by voice let's stop the voice conversation. I just told him by voice to create an image for Mercedes-Benz brand logo. He just created, let's test ChatGPT whether it exactly makes the same behavior for talking or minimizing the live voice conversation. Let's give the mic. Hello there. So it takes a while to open the. Hello there.
Hey, hello. What are you up to this morning?
Okay, can I minimize this live voice conversation in order to see chat?
Yeah, look for a minimize or cat panel header, often a little dash or arrow icon. Give that a try.
Where I can like.
Usually top right of the chat window. If you see an arrow or dash, click that.
Okay. So let's make this. Okay, guys, let's wait until this finishes. Yep. So we told him to make a same. We have a copy response, we have a rate response, and share, and we have a try again. So we need to tell, yep, copy response. And what else? Rate response. What else? Try again. So I'm gonna tell to so please so guys, I just steered on a message and I told him that for now only create copy response, rate response, share, try again icons for now and wired them correctly. So let's wait until Codex finishes the updates. Okay guys, so Codex just done the updates. Let's see what has been changed. So, sorry, this is ChatGPT. We need to, yeah, that's great. As you see, exactly as like ChatGPT. So we can copy and we can rate, we can share, then share where, and we have this. As you see, I just clicked this message for, yeah, it was for this. Okay, guys, can I see because of, yeah, so absolute C++ and yeah. So let's say if I say hello, how are you doing? So if I click on the try again, right, so I just refresh the answer, and this is for rating, and this is for copy. So let's see if exactly copies. Yeah, copy the message. That's good, guys. So as you see, we made a good improvement about today, and yep, we would like to also make some improvement, but I guess for today is enough. So yep, for today is enough, guys. As you see, we made a lot of improvement. We also made a model picker stop menu better. Yep, so far it's great. We are gonna continue in the next episodes. So guys, as always, if you have any feedback, any suggestion, please do not hesitate, write in the comment, and we will definitely work on your feedbacks. And if you would like to follow our journey, make same exact AI or similar to our AI and get benefit from our videos, we have made many behind scenes videos on Patreon. So you are welcome to join Patreon and support us over there. Until I see you next time, stay tuned and yep, bye.